Prime Minister Narendra Modi na thamapan helaklaba Manipur gi irang asigi matangda tumina khangsinadana laisilaga warep amata longnaba honadaba asi lamdam asi tangdu leitadana honadaba asina lamdam asi tangdu leitadana leidibani haina All Indian Congress Committee gi Secretary 𝗔𝗢𝗓𝗡𝗏 na maral sikre ngasi Congress Bhavan gi Risang Kaising Conference Hall da pangthokiba paugi mifam amada 𝗔𝗢𝗡𝗏 na kumja lising ani ga tara mari dagi chahi tara Narendra Modi na leibak asida Prime Minister oirakpadagi hauna ngasi fawbuda mahakna sakhiba mahakna wasakhiba kaya thabak oina paikhatpak ngamdana leidi haiki Foreign gi bank sing da leidiba India gi black money leibak asida amuk hana purakani haikiba amadi leibak asigi citizen amamam gi zero balance ta bank account hangdoktuna lupa lakh tara manga hapkani haina wasakhiba adu ngasi fawba thabak to onthokpa ngamdri haiki.
We are at a very crucial stage in the country's era, and over the last 10 years we have seen devastation. When I say devastation, I'm talking about economic, social and political, in the way that India exists over 2014 to 2024, which is why we are calling it 10 Saal Anyay-Kaal, 10 years of injustice. 10 years of injustice to the people of India and to all of us as we head for general elections 2024. When I talk about devastation, I'm talking about the economic ruin that the people of this country are facing today. I'm talking about the increase in crimes against women, the injustice against the minorities. And obviously, in everybody's mind here today is the injustice on Manipur, where we have continued unrest for more than 9 months now. I would like to detail these injustices to you. I request your patience while we go through what 10 years of the BJP government, of the Modi government, has brought to all of us in all the states, from Manipur to Bengal, where I come from, the injustice that we face. We are looking at rampant unemployment in the country today. It is the highest rate of unemployment in 45 years of this country, is the highest rate right now. In 2012, there were 1 crore unemployed men and women in this country. Today, that has risen in 2022 to 4 crore unemployed men and women in the country. There are 10 lakh sanctioned government jobs that have not been filled up. That means that in a scenario where more than 4 crore people are unemployed, we do have 10 lakh sanctioned jobs within the government that the government chooses not to fill up.